In our store, we have everything from fresh produce to prepared foods, fresh meats, bread made in-house from scratch, tortillas that we make 30,000 tortillas a day. And in our prepared foods departments, we have some really special products that we take pride in, like our salsas made from scratch, aguas frescas, ceviches made with all Mexican shrimp from the Sea of Cortez, and Persian lime. My name is Joshua González. I'm the director here, and this is Northgate Market. I'm one of the third generation members. We are 53 in the third generation. The owners and founders are 13 brothers and sisters, 8 brothers and 5 sisters. We all work in the family business of the founders, and the cousins are 25 of us working in the business. Northgate started in 1980 in Anaheim, California, Anaheim Boulevard, a very, very small store, almost the size of a liquor store. Northgate currently has 41 stores in Orange County, LA County, San Diego County, and now Riverside County, which we just opened about 2 months ago, and we're very excited about it. We import everything from salsas that you might think of that you already know, like tapatio, to very, very unique ones like La Cosecha. We also have products that we import, like beers that are very famous, like Sol or Victoria, items that are unique. And we also have items that we import, like ingredients, different types of beans and rice, and herbs and spices. So our carniceria has been a foundation of Northgate since 1980. We take so much pride in the meat that we cut, in the quality we sell, and in our marinated meats. Our marinated meats are for grilling. We use a recipe that goes all the way back to when we started, and you can use that for grilling, for tacos, or all your party needs. The best seller is certified Angus flat meat, and that is none other than for barbecue. So we marinate that with a citrus marinade, our own rub, and fresh vegetables. We do everything in-house. We have experts at every store that know what they're doing, trained by us and certified by us centrally.
My name is Julio Ramirez. I am the meat manager, and I have 27 years in Northgate.
Okay, so Julio is an expert meat cutter, and he's going to show us how, with precision, we cut our certified Angus beef for marinating. Adelante, Julio. It's freshness that you can see. You can pick whatever you want. You can pick what piece you want, how you want it. We'll cut it for you. We will marinate it for you. Everything that you could possibly want, we'll do for you. So we have everything from beef to pork, chicken, great seafood program. We have an awesome salmon, some great shrimp, and we also have our chorizos, which are our family recipe since 1980 as well. We make the freshest and the original all from scratch. As you can see here, we're making our tortillas, our regular size, but we have yellow corn and we have white corn. We make small, mini, we make large for carne asadas and our regular size, and we make them every day, all day, about 30,000 tortillas a day. And we take pride that our tortillas are hot when you take them home. When you come to Northgate, you're walking into a fresh tortilla factory. I mean, we're making this stuff from scratch with volcanic rock like it's always been done. We have a silo of fresh corn that holds 25,000 pounds. We're boiling that corn, cooking the corn, grinding the corn, and then putting it through our oven, in which it lasts about 4 to 5 seconds for it to come out fresh. We pack it by hand and put it out to sell. We make sweet bread, pan dulce as we say in Español. We also make a bolillo. Our bolillo is made from scratch, so is our pan dulce. We have master bakers, as you can see here, who are making breads of all types, from cuernitos to conchitas to panchos. And our bolillo is coming out fresh every 15 minutes. 15 minutes, you get fresh bolillo, and you get about 20,000 bolillos a week that we sell.
Pues primero le pusimos chocolatito, después le pusimos su cremita, después le pusimos sus fresitas, su frutita y sobre todo todo el amor, con todo el amor. Es especial para hoy, tenemos de fresa, también tenemos con chocolate, tenemos con crema blanca, aquí hay variedad para enamorar a todos los paladares.
Strawberries.
So our carnitas are made from scratch. We use the most quality pork and sea salt, all from Mexico.
Northgate Market is one of the best markets around. It not only will fulfill your south of the border needs, but its selection far exceeds any one-stop shop. If fresh food is what you're after, then you will not be disappointed. One of the great characteristics of the store is their commitment to providing fresh produce. In fact, in 2012, Northgate Market was given a loan in part by Michelle Obama and the California Fresh Works Fund to help open stores to provide fresh food to underserved communities.
My name's Armando, and I like coming to Northgate because it's super close by. 5 minutes and get in, get out, and I'm done.
My name is Trey, and I love coming to Northgate Market because they have good, cheap deals. They have good meat. I like the meat section. I enjoy their fresh vegetables. It's a good store. They're everywhere. They're not hard to find. Good products all the time, every time.
Bueno, me gusta venir a Northgate porque aparte de que encuentro cosas mexicanas, encuentro también viven para regalar o para comer. Por eso me gusta.
Thank you all for coming to Northgate Market in La Habra. We appreciate you. Hopefully you come and visit us very soon.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this adventure. Much thanks goes to Northgate Market, Joshua González, and the rest of the hospitable staff for making today's episode possible. As always, links in the description to the store we visited today. If we've inspired you to visit Northgate Market, hit subscribe to our channel to help support us and to never miss another episode. Until next time, bye-bye!